Hello, Professor. My name is Suyas Mishra, and this is my video for Project 1 for MST400. So, these are my credentials for Seneca, and this is my Azure account. I confirm that this is my account. So, the first thing that I would show is my resource group. This is the resource group that I have created. It contains all of the resources that has been used in this project. So after this, I can show the virtual network. These are the three virtual network. One is VNet1 R1, which is for Canada Central. I have provided this IP spacing, and it is divided into two subnets, one for RDP and one is for several other users. It has not been paired, but can be. So this is VNet2, Northern Europe. It has this address spacing, and it has again two subnets. Similar thing is this for South Africa. It has this IP address spacing, and we can provide these IP addresses to the clients that is based in South Africa. So after this, I can show the load balancer. I don't know. I want to show the virtual machines that I've created. So these are the two web servers that are based in Central Canada in Region 1. Same thing for Ireland web servers, Region 2. And this is the client that will be based in South Africa. So after this, now I can show the load balancer. So I have created two load balancer, one each per region as per the project. All the overview is here. This is the front end public IP. This is the front end that we'll use to connect, and this is the back end which is connected to the two web servers, which will divide the requests as per the load. Help probe rule allowing the HTTP request. This is the load balancing rule. This is the same rule that we'll be using in both regions. One thing that I liked is the insight. It shows us if the web server 1 and 2 is connected from the front end and everything is working in harmony. Same thing, same. Europe. These are the overview. Front end, back end containing two web servers. These are the IP address. Health probe and the rule. Load balancing rule is same as allowing the HTTP requests. Insight. Now the insight shows us the same thing, that it is perfectly working fine. Back to the home page. Traffic manager. The traffic manager is the solution that I have used to allow the a client to connect it to the nearest web server. But we have many other options that we can see here. This is the domain service domain name that we will be used to connect to all of the web server. It doesn't matter which location you are, it will direct, the traffic manager will direct you to the nearest. So these are the two endpoints. One is for Central Canada, one is for Northern Ireland, North Europe. Configuration, yep. This is the option that I have selected here. Performance, we have multiple other options based on our need. Performance, the definition that Azure provide us is that used to deploy this to use and connect to the nearest web server based on the lowest latency. Priority is to use the endpoint which we need to connect, which has the highest priority, and various multiple options other. So this is the setup. Now I will try to connect this. So the my host computer is based in Canada. I am in Canada, so I will try to connect the web server, and let's see which web server does it takes me to. Yep, Central Canada. So it shows that we are in Canada, so the Central Canada website is accessible and is connected with the lowest latency. Now, other thing is this. This is the client that is in South Africa, and now I will connect to the web server using the same FQDN of Traffic Manager. And let's see where this takes me to. A little bit slow. Yep, this is the Irish web server. Now it shows that South Africa is South African client can access their this website to the nearest web server, which is located in Ireland. So the setup is done. Now I guess everything has been checked. Local computer client. I guess I have ticked all of the marks. If so, thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it.